Hello, this is Christy. Let me show you how you can change the orientation and layout of a multi-track composition to have a vertical video with two speakers instead of horizontal video. This is a common question that I see, and it's very easy to do. So in Descript, I have a composition made from a sequence, which has two tracks inside of it. If you look on the right-hand side, I have Christy and Chris, which is myself and my guest. So these are individual layers, as you can see. And I've edited this composition side by side as a horizontal interview. But now I want to do vertical video, maybe a social media clip. So the way to change the orientation is this. First of all, I don't actually do it in here. If I'm doing social media clips, I usually make a selection, like here, for example. I make a selection in text, and I'm extracting this portion out of here into a separate composition, right? So I've selected it, and there's a number of ways to do it. You can either click this little button that says Duplicate to New Composition, or you can right-click on the selection and say Duplicate to New Composition, or you can simply press Command-Shift-C or Control-Shift-C on Windows. So create new composition from this portion. And Descript tells me it's created it, so I click Open. And by the way, this is in the same project. It doesn't create a new project or anything like that. It doesn't consume any more transcription minutes. It just uses the same underlying sequence with the same files to give me a short composition, which is still landscape at the moment. So let's see how we can switch this to vertical. Super easy. I'm going to go to the top here where it says landscape, square, portrait, and switch to portrait right there. There you go. And of course, Descript will make those two videos fit on the screen, but you don't have to leave them like this because I can grab these, grab my video, put it at the top, and pull the bottom of it until it gets to like half the screen. There you go. You see that line? It snaps to the middle. I'm going to make it wider because it's not wide enough like that. And let's grab Chris's video as well and place it there and resize it and fill this area at the bottom. There you go. I may want to double click to center him because he's kind of to the side. Double click to go, yeah, there's a bug in Descript that jumps around. Double click on his video and go into crop mode. You are in crop mode when you see this grid. Click to move him like this and center him. And maybe mine as well. Look, again, a bug. Double click on the crop and move myself a little bit to the left. There you go. Layout showing top and bottom from the same sequence. And this actually did not change the initial one, because if you're editing your episode and you want to stay, the full version for YouTube is landscape, but then my social media clips are vertical, not a problem. All of them are at the top here where the compositions are. By the way, this can float around. This is the clip, but if I go to both speakers, which was my main episode, they are back to landscape. So they do not get affected by the changes you make in each composition. That's how sequences work. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And see you next time.